The information you will listen to in this video has been prepared by making use of the package insert of the drug. If the video is useful for you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for support. What is Dramamine and what is it used for? The active ingredient of Dramamine, an antihistamine drug, is Dimenhydrinate. Dramamine is used to treat or prevent nausea, vomiting, and dizziness associated with motion sickness. How to use Dramamine? Follow all directions on the product package. If your doctor has prescribed this medication, take it as directed. Take this medication by mouth with or without food. Measure liquid forms of this medication using a special measuring device spoon. Do not use a household spoon, because you may not get the correct dose. The chewable tablet should be chewed thoroughly before being swallowed. The dosage is based on your age, medical condition, and response to treatment. Do not increase your dose or take this medication more often than directed. To prevent motion sickness, take the first dose 30 to 60 minutes before starting activities such as travel. Here are some things to know before using Dramamine. Before taking Dimenhydrinate, tell your doctor or pharmacist if you are allergic to it, or to Dimenhydramine, or if you have any other allergies. Before using this medication, tell your doctor or pharmacist your medical history, especially of breathing problems, high pressure in the eye, heart problems, high blood pressure, liver disease, seizures, stomach-intestine problems such as ulcers, blockage, overactive thyroid, difficulty urinating. This drug may make you drowsy or blur your vision. Do not drive, use machinery, or do anything that needs alertness or clear vision until you can do it safely. Avoid alcoholic beverages. Before having surgery, tell your doctor or dentist about all the products you use. Liquid products or chewable tablets may contain sugar and/or aspartame. Caution is advised if you have diabetes, phenylketonuria, or any other condition that requires you to avoid these substances in your diet. Children may be more sensitive to the side effects of this drug. This drug can often cause excitement in young children instead of drowsiness. Older adults may be more sensitive to the side effects of this drug, especially drowsiness, confusion, constipation, or trouble urinating. Drowsiness and confusion can increase the risk of falling. During pregnancy, this medication should be used only when clearly needed. Discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. This drug passes into breast milk and may have undesirable effects on a nursing infant. Consult your doctor before breastfeeding. What are the side effects of Dramamine? Drowsiness, constipation, blurred vision, or dry mouth, nose, throat may occur. If any of these effects last or get worse, tell your doctor or pharmacist promptly. To relieve dry mouth, suck hard candy or ice chips, chew gum, drink water, or use a saliva substitute. If this video was useful for you, like the video and subscribe to the channel for support. Share your views and experiences in the comment section. I wish you healthy days.